Hello, Maurieo. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at pendulums, and in particular the question that I want to look at is, where does the formula for gravitational field strength come from, also known as acceleration due to gravity? The formula itself is G equals 4 pi squared L over T squared. So where does this formula come from? Where does it originate? Now, first we perhaps need to look at a little bit of information about the pendulum itself, and in particular a simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a string or cord or wire that allows a suspended mass called the bob to swing back and forth. It is called simple as all the mass of the pendulum is concentrated in its bob. The time required for one complete vibration or oscillation from one side to the other and back again is called the pendulum's period, and is usually measured in seconds. The formula to calculate the period is where L is the length of the pendulum in meters and G is the gravitational field strength or acceleration due to gravity, given below here as T equals 2 pi the square root of the length divided by the acceleration due to gravity. And from that we can derive the gravitational field strength equation. The original equation here can be derived from first principles, but is beyond the insight and what we need for this little exercise here. So we're going to start with this well-known formula, T equals 2 pi the square root of L over G, for the period of a simple pendulum. Now if we square both sides, we get T squared equals 2 squared pi squared, and in brackets L over G, the square root of L over G. Of course, squared is L over G. Now we're trying to get or find or isolate G, the gravitational field strength, or acceleration due to gravity, on one side. So the first thing I always do is get rid of the fractions, and to do that, if we multiply by G, as I've shown here, putting a G here on this side will cancel. G divided by G is 1, so effectively they cancel out, and we get a G on this side in green. So rewriting that down below here in yellow, T squared G equals 2 squared is 4 pi squared L, because we have cancelled out or removed removed G from the right hand side. Now that leaves us T squared G on the left hand side. If we then divide through by T squared on both sides, we will, as I've shown here in green, we will then come up with G equals 4 pi squared L over T squared. We can see that on the left hand side the T squareds reduce to 1 and thereby cancel out, giving us G equals 4 pi squared L divided by T squared. And that gives us our formula. G equals 4 pi squared L over T squared. Using that formula and a pendulum, we would be able to work out the gravitational field strength at any particular location. To get accurate results, of course, we would have to take accurate measurements. And as the gravity does or the gravitational field strength, varies around the Earth depending on where we are and various local factors. So there you are, maurieo on pendulums.